In this video, we will discuss the ketogenic diet, often known as the high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet. Much like a car's engine propels the vehicle forward, your body is the engine that keeps you alive. Glucose, or sugar, is the primary fuel source. When on the ketogenic diet, however, your body modifies its fuel strategy and begins to use fat instead of glucose. As an example, you could convert your car to a hybrid model that runs on both gasoline and electricity. Yes, but how does it operate? If you severely cut your carb intake and up your fat intake, your body will begin to use fat breakdown to produce ketones for energy. The ketogenic diet is so named because it induces a metabolic process known as ketosis. Let's speak about what you can and cannot consume when following the ketogenic diet. Bread, pasta, rice, and sugary snacks are all high in carbohydrates and should be avoided. Meat, fish, eggs, and low-carb veggies like spinach and cauliflower will replace carbohydrates in your diet. Cheese and butter, both of which are heavy in fat, are acceptable, as are avocados and olive oil, both of which are high in beneficial fats. In any case, what's the appeal of the keto diet? Weight loss, better management of blood sugar, and more energy are just a few of the possible advantages. In addition, some claim to have had enhanced concentration and decreased inflammation. Nonetheless, there are some drawbacks, as with any diet. Because of its stringent nature, the ketogenic diet, for instance, may not allow for sufficient consumption of essential foods. While your body adjusts to the diet, you may also feel like you have the flu at the beginning. There is also a risk of cardiovascular disease due to the high saturated fat content of the diet. Is it safe to say that the ketogenic diet is a good fit for you? That's obviously a choice best made by you and your doctor. When beginning a new diet plan, it's crucial to assess your unique nutritional requirements, food choices, and health conditions. To summarize, the ketogenic diet is a different way to eat that encourages the body to use fat instead of glucose as its main source of fuel. The hazards should not be ignored, despite the fact that advantages like weight loss and better blood sugar management are possible. Of course, it's always best to tailor your diet plan to your own health goals and lifestyle. Consult your doctor if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. We'll see you at the next video.